My name is Dave, Special Anti-Crime Unit. My job is simple. Cut the head of the snake. Every damn drug choking this city. But the streets, they've got their own kings. First, there's Kefa, built by hustle. He runs his corner. Kiosk in the front, poison in the back. His eyes? Bako. The kid who sees it all before it happens. He whistles. Skefa moves. Their kingdom? Ikoko. A warehouse that sweats secrets, packages dreams that rot the soul. And when it's time to deliver, Blaze. They call him on time, every time. Because if you see that bike, it's already too late. But here's the thing. Snakes think they own the jungle. They forget hunters don't sleep.